Histograms are a higher level skill. Now this question may not seem too tricky, but if you skip over things that don't seem too tricky, then you're never going to get those top marks. Remember, you can get a graph to draw, early access to all the videos by getting my book. For this question, we have to work out our histogram. Now, first thing we need to do is draw a couple more sections on this table here. We need to work out the class width and then the frequency density. So the class width between 1 and 5 we have a width of 4, between 5 and 7 we have a width of 2, between 7 and 11 we have a width of 4, between 11 and 20 we have a width of 9, and then between 20 and 30 we have 10. Now our frequency density is going to be equal to our frequency divided by our class width. So this column divided by this column. So 8 divided by 4 is going to give us 2. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, 18 divided by 9 gives us 2, and then 10 divided by 10 gives us 1. For our graph, we are going to be plotting velocity by frequency density. Now we need to plot velocity against frequency density. So for our our 1 to 5, we have frequency density of 2. So going from 1 to 5, just pop that in there. For our 5 to 7, we have a frequency density of 3. There we go. From 7 to 11, we have a frequency density of 1. From 11 to 20, we have a frequency density of 2. And then from 20 to 30, we have frequency density of 1.